What? Titties! Alright. Path goes out to the right a little bit.
I got it.
Already missed it.
Oh, we turned that whole gear around.
Turn that fucking log right around. What drink is wrong, man? Fucking spill it on me.
Smash your face into it. Hit you in the teeth, upper lip. Oh, fuck! I hit that fucking head like I was a black kid. Like I was a fucking black kid in the back of the bus.
Oh,
Hard right, hard right, hard right, hard right, hard right. You passed it. Sean, you back up. You passed the turn.
No, he didn't, did he?
I feel with your face so bad. It was really funny.
You have to go to the right and you have to do like a 3-point turn again.
Who's this?
Climb it up a little bit.
That's so big in the face so fucking hard.
I did too.
So I don't know what you had the window now. Fucking moving it.
You go, got it. Perfect.
Oh, fucking lose this bit.
There we go.
Oh, yeah.
You go, Trace. You turn this up a little bit.
I got it.
He's fucking with it. It's on. Oh, my fucking asshole.
I fucking tailboard instead of fucking hit.
Why are you waving behind me?
Right.